Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. A special thank you to all of my outstanding patrons for your continued encouragement and support. Patreon members get access to hundreds of high-resolution photos, previews of the future material, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps as well. Thank you. So it was a very busy day across the site today, and you're going to see in all the images in the video just how much work is being done. The weather cooperated beautifully. Couldn't have asked for a better day. So starting out on the west side of the highway, we see that foundation is continuing to grow. We see a lot more of the hills being removed, more of the leveling of the ground taking place. More of the pipes for water are showing up on the far west side, and you can see the roads that kind of lead from the north. Also down at the south by the stamping machine building and south of the foundation, we see more of the land clearing, pond filling, and what looks like potentially the start of a road that will go underneath the bridge. And then we look in the footing area, we see work on the west and south perimeter grade beam today, which would be the extent of the building. A lot more footings are being worked on, and just a lot of activity in this area. Moving up a little bit north to the west structure, we see on the east side more of the work on extending the building to the south. We see more wall panels being prepared on the west side and also being installed. And then looking at the battery cell area in the northwest corner, we just see some tremendous work. They've already reached the northernmost perimeter grade beam, as you can see in the arrow in the upper right. And quite a bit of work is underway to finish out that structure, probably within the next few days. Amazing. Sliding over to the paint shop, we see that RTO, or the Regenerative Thermal Oxidizer system, continuing to be installed. They're removing and replacing one of the vents on the roof, as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, and more materials are being delivered into the north side on that temporary loading dock. Looking into the casting machine facility, we see more assembly of the second casting machine, and we have a nice aerial view of all of the footings for that casting machine structure extension to the northeast. Flying down to the south end of the paint shop, we look at that big excavation pit. We see it's dried out now. 12 footers have been installed and being prepared for rebar and concrete, and it looks like they've delivered these concrete water vaults to be installed into that pit area. Still not sure what the purpose of this area is yet. And then a little bit further south, looking at the east structure wall, we see the green walls being installed. We also see that the little arrows on the upper left-hand photo shows that they have like a bead to stop the installation at that point, so probably something different on the ground floor. And then on the east side, we see more of the concrete panels, and that strip still looks like it may be an area for windows. And a major change is taking place over on the east side. We see that foundation for the battery cathode plant getting geopier work now. In addition to the geotextile membranes that they've installed, and they're widening to the west, the foundation as well, as you can see in the orange arrows on the bottom left. We also go over and take a look at the far northeast side where they're doing clearing, and then we come back and look at the old houses that are being removed. Now it's just one left. And then finally we go up to the north area. We take a look at the old plant to see what materials are up there. We see it's drying out. That pond that was just to the south of the switch yard is pretty much all dry now. And then we take a look at the Harold Green Road relocation. You can see in the bottom right-hand picture, you can see how they are preparing for the road to be put in that yellow dotted area, and then the green you can see where it used to be. So that's a quick tour and just some of the sites that we'll see around Giga Texas today. I hope that you found this overview helpful as we get ready for the video. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga Texas. you.